Welcome to CDOCS and the tip of the day. Today I want to talk about third-party patient financing partners. When you use a financing partner such as Lending Club Patient Solutions, your case acceptance will increase. Giving your patients access to budget-friendly financing solutions not only makes the treatment more affordable, but makes their decision to move forward with that treatment easier, resulting in a more profitable and productive practice and more satisfied patients. Satisfied patients are more likely to return for future treatments without the added worry of how they're going to pay for that treatment. Satisfied patients are more likely to refer others to your practice. Patients are more likely to seek care from a practice where they can access financing options than one that doesn't offer that benefit. When you work with a company such as Lending Club Patient Solutions, your practice gets paid within 1 to 2 business days. This helps you to avoid losing time and money tracking overdue or missing payments and incurring collection costs. With a patient financing partner, the payments are deposited up front. Your practice then can focus on what it does best, caring for patients. A third-party financing partner such as Lending Club Patient Solutions allows your practice to focus on patient care rather than taking on the role of a bank. Your patient financing partner will manage the credit checks, the payment plans, as well as all of the risks. Give Lending Club Patient Solutions a call. Let them be your financing partner. To start more cases, boost your revenue, Lending Club Patient Solutions can be contacted at 1-800-630-1663 or lendingclub.com/try patient solutions. We'll see you next time on the tip of the day.